Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the starter in this 2009 Pontiac Vibe with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, really helps out a lot. So go pop your hood and then come under here, disconnect your battery, at least unhook the negative cable. I'm going to unhook both of them, so this bolt, and then pull these cables right off. Now we're gonna remove the air box here so we can get better access down there. So we're gonna undo this clip right here. We're gonna loosen this clamp so we can take it out. And then you unhook this clip. There's supposed to be another one right here. And then you can take this out. Probably have to wiggle a little bit to get that out. All right, now we can take the air filter out. And then we're gonna take out these 3 bolts right there. Now we can take this out of here. Somebody already undid it, so I didn't know that it was not here, but there's a bolt on the back of the air box right here that you need to take out also. From here, we're gonna unhook this clip right here, which is just a little push pin clamp thing. Then we need to pop this cover off and unbolt the bolt that's hooking this cable on here. All you gotta do is basically just lift this up and push it back, and then you can access that 12mm nut right there. Okay, the last thing we've got is 2 14mm nuts holding the starter in. So one of them is right down here behind this plastic, or underneath this plastic right there, putting my finger on it. And the other one is right here. All right, now I wiggled this out and pulled it up so it's out of the way. We can wiggle our starter out just like that and pull it out around those wires. Then you put your new one in. I'm gonna have some Amazon links in the description below where you can get a new starter. Some other stuff if you want to check those out. If not, no big deal. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Put your new one in the way you took your old one out, and that's about it. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching.